So right here I moved the drain pan over from the plug to under the filter. The filter is right behind the shock right here, but this is on a truck. Cars, they're sort of in the same spot, maybe the other side, depending on what kind of car you have. So up here, you take your tool, you wrap it around, and then you twist it. Once it's loose, you could be able to twist it with your hand. One more turn. Once it's out, there's going to be oil that spills, so make sure you turn the drain pan. Oh, man. Wait until all the oil drips out of the filter. Once all the oil's out of there, or most of it, twist it off. Pull it down. That's the old one. Dirty, grimy, old. Just put it in here so it will empty out. And once you're done with that, put the plug back in the drain pan. Take a towel, rinse it off around there, wherever got oil. Look, Sean, your transmission won't slip. Your axles will be fine. It's all lubed up now. Alright, now we're going to get the new filter that Sean has.
Yep, right here.
Take off my gloves. Yep. Pour oil in the filter. Fill it up one time until it absorbs. Up. Let it absorb. Alright, then we're going back under. Get it from the other side. See, with this truck, you could get it from the wheel well. Most cars are covered. Towels, clean up a little bit. Clean up the filter. When you tighten the filter, you just want it hand tightened. You want to tighten with the tool, because next time you do it, you'll never be able to take it off. All right, next we grab our oil. We grab a funnel. Yeah, I just smelled it. Most cars, you don't need a step stool to get up.
Big boy toys to do.
When you put it in where the oil cap was, you get the oil.
Wait. Is the oil cap on?
No, it's off. Love it. The 6.5 quarts, right, Sean?
Yeah. Get the whole thing in there.
Well, you could just pour it when you fill up your gas tank.
Just
pour
this
it
goes in
the
the gas and the oil.
Alright, if you want to do.
Let me just see. Yeah, just put like, I think one of the, on the side it has a marker. Just go up to like that one.
Alright, right here we have the mystery oil. It gives you better gas mileage, cleans out your engine and everything. So if you have an older vehicle, better for that. And some cars take 10W30, some take 20. And if in the winter, usually you would put 5W because it's thicker oil. Minty. Just put a couple ounces in.
And then drink the rest.
That's about it. When you're done, pull out the funnel, put the cap back on until it clicks. You want to take your towels, check the dipstick to see how much oil is in there. Right there is a line. You want to go by the line? That's with it.
I pull it out one more time now it's all settled.
Yeah. Some people run the car and then turn it off to check it again. That's good. And then usually you just go back under, double check if you tightened everything, go over everything, clean up your floor. So that's it. Thanks for joining us at Rockland Rednecks.